Gas Metal Arc Welding, or MIG, is a semi-automatic process used in high-production environments such as the automotive, fabrication, shipbuilding, rail, and yellow goods industry sectors. The process requires a shielding gas to protect the molten weld metal from atmospheric contamination. Argon gas is used as a base in shielding gas mixtures due to its ionizing characteristics. This provides stability to the arc and allows for a stable spray transfer in a high-production environment. The addition of an active gas like carbon dioxide affects the penetration profile of the weld. In a three-part mix, oxygen is added to reduce surface tension on the weld pool, improving sidewall fusion. The use of high-purity gases is vital in these mixtures and needs to conform to ISO 14175 tolerances for the correct stated mixtures. It is important to consider the right mixture when selecting a shielding gas. Afrox offers a range of 2- and 3-part mixtures suitable for quality welds in a wide variety of applications. Special mixtures are also available for more exotic materials, such as copper and aluminium, where helium is added. Visit afrox-gas.co.za to explore the best and most cost-effective solution, or contact our call center on 0860 020202.